Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Google Sheets for project planning for beginners. And here's how it's done. Open Google Sheets and start a new blank sheet. In the first row, add headers, task name, assign to, start date, due date, status, and notes. Under task name, write each project task in a separate row. Fill in who is responsible under assign to, and enter the start date and due date for each task. Go to Data, Data Validation, choose Add Rule, and type options like Not Started, In Progress, Completed. Also make sure to choose colors. This creates a drop-down menu in the status column for consistent tracking. In order for you to know or indicate the status, just paste it, then change according to the progress of a task. If you want to add notes, you can type it here. Make sure to bold also the titles in the first row. That's it. Pretty simple and perfect for beginners. And that is everything you need to know about how to use Google Sheets for project planning for beginners. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.